Hello everyone, myself Dibyendu Chaki. I am working in some places as a head bartender. It's a great opportunity for me. I am here in front of you people to discuss about the gin. Gin is a neutral spirit with a hint of juniper berries, originated from Holland and became popular in Great Britain. A Dutch physician, Francis Sibelius, is the creator of gin in the mid of 17th century.
Ready.
By this time, Numerus, a small Dutch distiller, he started the redistillation of malt wine or malt spirit with the flavor of juniper, caraway, coriander and anise. They used gin as a medicinal purpose. But when William of Orange won the battle against the Great Britain, that time it became very popular. But it was a drink for the poor people. Then in 1736, the government bring the first Gin Act, but it doesn't work. Then in 1751, one more Gin Act came, which was most successful. As a brand, today we will talk about Tanqueray 10. It started in 1830 when Charles Tanqueray turned against its family tradition. But the Tanqueray 10 is released in 2000. It takes its name from the still number Teeny 10. It has a fresh and crisp upfront with citrus notes. The expected juniper follows very close behind. Grapefruit, coriander and chamomile are notable. It's perfectly balanced with white pepper and floral chamomile. It won 3 gold medals in a row in World Spirit competition and became the part of Hall of Fame. It's a very good gin for making Martini, Glover's Club, White Lady, Negroni and the other gin-based cocktails. Today I am making the cocktail called Pretty Woman. It's the variation of Negroni, which already won the first challenge of Diageo World Class 2015 from Kolkata region. Negroni is a classic cocktail. It's the mix of gin, vermouth rosso and bitter. In my cocktail, I am using grapefruit bitter, Kaulila infused with rose petal and sugar, and Tanqueray 10, the benchmark of complexity. So I am starting with 5 ml of grapefruit bitter. So 15 ml of rose petal infused Kaulila. So now in my drinks it's like there is rose, there is smoke and there is citrus. It's a perfect balance for a good cocktail. And now the heart of my cocktail, Tanqueray 10. It's 45 ml of Tanqueray 10. So it will add the hint of chamomile, coriander and juniper in my cocktail. Now full of ice and need a gentle stir. I believe it's a perfect drink for a lady because of its complexity. And my glassware is ready for my cocktail. And this is my pretty woman walking down the street. Need to add some crushed ice. And the garnish with lime slice and cloves. And the finish of my drink with cloves and rose smoke. So it's rose water, few sprays of rose water. I'm burning the cloves. And this is my pretty woman. Cheers.